Now, for the next part of this chapter, we'll be talking about energy and power. The word power can have many different meanings in everyday speech. It can mean something to do with authority, muscle, or ability. However, in science, the term power is defined precisely. It is a measure of the rate of work. For example, although a motorbike can travel faster than a locomotive train, it could never manage to pull any carriages. So this is a motorbike like you see here in the picture, and this is a locomotive train. The motorbike won't be able to pull any carriages, but the train can be able to pull carriages. This is because a motorbike is not as powerful as a locomotive. So look at the two winches in figure 1. The masses of both people are the same, 70 kg. The height through which they are lifted is also the same, 20 meters. 2 winches of different power lifted a load. So here you can see how it's lowering and raising. Here we press on the raise winch, and you can see the difference in how the two winches are raising the people. Here we have a question that says, how much work does the winch on the left do? So here the force is equal to weight. Weight is mg equal to 70 kilograms times 10 Newton per kilogram, which is equal to 700 Newton. So the work here, as we mentioned earlier, is F times D equal to 700 Newton times 20 meter equal to 14,000 joules, divided by 10 to the power 3, which means it is equal to 14 kilojoule. How much work does the winch on the right do? So it is the same answer. You can check your answer and see if it's correct. We say that the winch on the left is more powerful than the one on the right. This is because it does the same quantity of work more rapidly. In physics, power is defined quite simply. It is the rate of doing work, or the rate of energy transfer. To calculate the power, simply divide the work done by the time it takes. The greater the rate of doing work, more work is done in less time. The smaller the rate of doing work, work is done in long period of time, so less powerful device. So here we have the equation for power. It is equal to work done over time taken, or we can say that energy transferred over time taken. P equals WD over T. Rearranging the power equation, work equals P times T, and T equals work over P.